Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out your wallet address on Paxful. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can directly start making your trades. Now, if you wish to discover your wallet address so that you can receive funds, then tap on Wallet. Once you tap on this, you will see the various different assets. Just tap on the receive button at the top section and you will be asked to choose which type of crypto you would like to receive. Tap on your preferred cryptocurrency, and if you have not verified your account, you will be asked to get verified first. You can tap on the verification option and provide your credential, such as your ID card, your passport, or your driver's license. Once your verification has been completed, you will be shown your QR code as well as your wallet ID within this screen. And after verification, every time you tap on receive and choose your preferred cryptocurrency, you will directly be shown your QR code as well as your wallet address, which you can copy and share with anyone who wishes to send you funds. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find out your wallet address on Paxful. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.